Hi, I'm Oleh. I'm a graphic designer. I've been working at Intellias more than 3 years. Usually I work with visual identity of Intellias. I try to find another fresh approaches to support visual language of Intellias. Also, I work with a lot of landing pages for several projects, like hiring campaigns, separate projects like Real Not Perfect, and so on. And also I create even memes. This is a campaign we created for the launch of the key message where tech meets talent. For this, we did a lot of work with references, analyzed them, and found our own approach. We wanted to make a composition with a lot of space, some unusual angle, and bold text. What is interesting that we made a photo shoot with our colleagues because it was important for us to show Intelli people. Recently, we have launched a big campaign called Real Not Perfect. So the main idea was to send 50 disposable cameras to our people and get back a lot of not so perfect shots. So we also have created a lot of printed materials for this campaign, a lot of weird stuff like this packaging. And actually it was really exciting because we received a lot of beautiful photos with our people, and it's really cool.
Graphics or 3D?
Graphics.
Paper sketches or digital?
Paper sketches.
Classic fonts or modern?
Modern.
Modern style or retro?
Modern.
Minimalism or maximalism?
Something between, but more minimalistic.